So today, class 9A is going to have a debate on Fit India Activity Week, which is a CBSE initiative, and the topic that is given for each 9A and 9B have been given different topics, and the topic that is given for 9A is diet and nutrition during pandemic. Girls will be speaking for the topic and boys will be speaking against the topic. Now, girls, let us start with girls. Who is willing to start the debate? You can raise your hand.
Shreya Anand.
Shreya Anand. Yes, tell your point, Shreya.
Eating a healthy diet is very important during the COVID-19 pandemic. What we eat and drink can affect our body's ability to prevent, fight, and recover from infections. While no foods or dietary supplements can prevent or cure COVID-19 infection, healthy diets are important for supporting immune systems. Good nutrition can also reduce the likelihood of developing other health problems, including obesity, heart diseases, diabetes, and some types of cancer. For young children, a healthy diet and balanced diet is essential for growth and development. For older people, it can help to ensure healthier and more active lives. Thank you.
Well said, Shreya. Shivaguru, do you have anything against that point?
Yes, ma'am. Uh, Can I start, ma'am?
Yes, please.
In this global COVID-19 pandemic, this COVID-19 disease doesn't pass through food, and hence food is not very important for our life, and even the COVID-19 disease is it affects only the respiratory disease. So we can take any food we want in this global-19 pandemic.
All right, he says that we need not be too particular about food during pandemic. Girls, anything to contradict?
Ma'am, can I speak Jashwantika?
Jaswantika, yes.
So, proper nutrition and hydration are vital. People who eat a well balanced diet tend to be healthier with stronger immune systems and lower risk of chronic illness and infectious disease. So, you should eat a variety of fresh and unprocessed foods every day to get vitamins, minerals, dietary fiber, protein, and antioxidants your body needs. Drink enough water, avoid sugar, fat, and salt to significantly lower your risk of overweight, obesity, heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and certain types of cancer.
Yes, Karthik, do you have any point against it?
Yes, ma'am. So
Yes.
during this pandemic, if we need a balanced diet, but for that balanced diet, we require different variety of food which we might not have at our homes. So we'll be forced to go to the shops and buy, ma'am. But this increases the risk of getting infected by the virus, and which in turn affects our life. So even if you want to get a balanced diet, our life could also be affected. So it's actually not that much required during a pandemic. What
So
is required is
Karthik
we
feels,
stay at home and protect our life.
Karthik feels we can't give that much importance to diet because few things we can't get. We have to go outside. If we go outside, we are faced with a risk. So anyone wants to offer a
Yes,
contradictory
ma'am.
point?
Vidya, ma'am.
Vidya, yes.
So I would like to ask a question. So if we cannot get the basic things which we want and eat junk food in our home, will we be able to lead a very healthy life? And moreover, we are in such a situation where we are staying at home and there is no physical activity. In this time, only diet, nutritional food, and exercise is the way to keep us healthy. Keeping ourselves healthy is the major part of living and leading a happy life. We will have more time to concentrate on our diet plans, which in turn keeps us healthy.
Okay. So now Hridaya feels that junk food if we eat just because we don't have enough groceries, what will happen to the health? Boys, anyone
Ma'am,
wants to
Madhav.
offer
Ma'am,
contradiction?
Krishna, ma'am.
Krishna,
Ma'am, Madhav, ma'am.
Krishna, then Madhav will get a chance. Krishna,
Ma'am, she said that exercise, physical fitness is not there, but she included and point that exercise is also an fitness, physical fitness.
so diet alone will need not be present. Exercise also can satisfy the need. Reshma, do you want to add to it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Good nutrition can also reduce likelihood for developing other problems, and moreover, a healthy diet has many health benefits, including building strong bones, protecting heart, preventing disease, and boosting mood. Moreover, eating foods that contain antioxidants can reduce reduce COVID-19, and for COVID-19 virus, immune system has to be, we have to build immune system, ma'am.
Madhav, you want to contradict her?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Some industries are mainly reliable on import and export of food products, ma'am. At this pandemic season, no transportation and would not be available. So, food crisis would happen. So, that is not food is not necessary, and it is not particularly we should eat only some types of food.
Girls, anyone wants to contradict him?
Ma'am, I want to contradict.
Yes, Ravina.
During this pandemic situation, there are even some companies which also offer special services by like doorstep delivery and all other things similar to that. During this pandemic, we need to develop an immune system in order to fight diseases or viruses like COVID-19. And the next thing is eating junk instead of eating healthy food during the pandemic would not make any sense. And then, thank you, ma'am.
Tarun, what do you want to say? Tarun, you can switch on your camera and speak.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are audible.
Yes, ma'am. So during this pandemic time, the country is facing a huge drop in the economy, ma'am. So when we try to focus more on this diet and keeping ourselves healthy, we'll definitely reduce our economic wealth, ma'am. So I think it is not very much important during this pandemic time, ma'am.
Okay. Girls, anyone wants to contradict? Boys, anyone wants to add more points to their side? Yes, Karthik?
Ma'am, when people do door-to-door delivery, ma'am, for the food products, we do not know what kind of hygiene measures they follow and whether they follow those hygiene measures or whether it's just a publicity stunt to increase their produce and their input, ma'am, so that they get more money. And we don't know where all the places the people travel and whether they have the virus. So it's actually much more safer to just be at home, ma'am.
Kirtana, what do you have to say?
Ma'am, if you're not sure about the safety of the fruits and vegetables delivery guy gives you, you can just clean it, right? And instead of buying everything, you can just go regularly once in a while, go out, take all the safety precautions and buy fruits, because you cannot just live on forever with junk food. That's all.
Super. Anjan?
Ma'am, rather than going outside, you can just buy it from buy it from online shops, because going outside means there will be a lot of viruses inside the vegetables, and we never know what kind of vegetables they'll be giving. And like other days, there'll be many manufacturers who give products to the particular shop, but due to the pandemic, they may use many expired products, and we never know if it's expired or it's a good product. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Can I object?
Ma'am, can I?
Jaswantika followed by Hridaya. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. When we get things which are, when we say that they are affected by virus, we can keep it in the sun, it could be dried, and all virus could be killed. So we can assume that we can take it in and there'll be no virus. So we can kill the virus by keeping it out in the sun for about 2 to 3 hours so that the virus could be gone.
Hridaya?
Yes, ma'am. So, as Jashwantika said and many others said, there are many ways to prevent the virus. But moreover, many of them were telling that if we go out and get vegetables, then we might get affected by the disease. Then what will they eat? Because everything is coming from outside only, and we don't know what is there in what. So, how will they eat only junk food or other food than nutritious food?
Okay, so her question is, if you keep telling that if you go out you will get infection, then how are you going to survive? What solution you have? She is asking. Boys? Anyone wants to
Can I contradict?
say anything? Yes?
Ma'am, actually, it does not, to get food, that doesn't necessarily mean we have to go out, ma'am. In many places and in many houses, people are having their own gardening system where they can obtain their fruits and vegetables from that, ma'am.
Okay. Now, girls, anyone wants to summarize? I feel that being neutral, still I feel that whether it is pandemic or not, healthy nutrition is very much required. Okay. Yes, Jaswantika, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, they're telling that if they go out, they are infected by COVID-19, ma'am. So we can follow the precautionary measures the government has given, ma'am, by wearing mask, 1 meter distance. If they do that, they don't get COVID-19, ma'am. So they don't want to be afraid of it, ma'am. Go buy the nutritional food they want, ma'am.
Yes. So now I'll give more chance. Yes, yes, Shreya, SHREY.
I want to add a point, ma'am.
Yes.
Good nutrition is always important, but during this pandemic, it's even more important because a well-balanced diet of nutritious foods helps us support a strong immune system. So when it's time to go grocery shopping, a little planning can help you get in and out of the store quickly.
Yes.
Ma'am, I want to say one point, ma'am.
Yes, Krishna.
Ma'am, they are saying we need to go out and get, ma'am. Even getting outside or infect like chemical foods, how it can be a pure one.
Okay. Anyone, girls? Yes, Kirtana.
Ma'am, as Muttaya Karthik said that people have a terrace garden in their own houses, but it takes more than months to cultivate, manure, feed everything, and then grow vegetables. So it's better if we go out, safety precautions to buy vegetables than growing at home, ma'am.
Anjan? Anjan, you want to say something? Your hand is raised. All right. Okay. Let me conclude the debate by saying that whether pandemic or not, it is very important for us to maintain a very healthy diet and nutritional levels. Because though we are sitting at home and no physical activity is really happening, but still you see people are developing certain side effects because of lack of physical activity, okay, and also the skin becoming weak and lack of exposure to sunlight. So I think as much as possible, when people go out, they can maintain precaution, buy things and immediately sterilize it. Simple things in the house like baking soda, so washing the vegetables in baking soda or salt also helps to remove whatever contamination is there, and also a little bit of physical exercise will help you to cope up with the pandemic. That was a well handled debate. I appreciate all of you. So I'm going to stop the recording.